What's good, everyone? This is Chris Haith here, back with another California house tour. I'm so excited to show you this home here in East Sacramento. It is 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2,700 square feet. Let's get straight into it. I cannot wait to show you this. And this listing is provided by Eric T Wiese with HomeSmart. And just all the schemes that they came up with using just black and white and anything in between was amazing. So as you can see, it's an open floor layout. You've got your dining room right here with this nice plant right here. And you also got the kitchen right there, living room, fireplace. What I would have done was put a light fixture right under here, makes it more visually aesthetic. And then you've got so much space to do anything that you want to do. Let's head over to the kitchen. My goodness, light fixtures are amazing. Quartz countertop is amazing. They've also got the two-tone cabinets. So this one is the nice gray. Over here is the white. And then we've got the Delta faucets all throughout the home. And look at this KitchenAid. And so yeah, we got our KitchenAid gas stove top with 6 burners right here, perfect for any cook. If it's a chef, maybe they want more, but for a lot of people that are not chefs, I would definitely be happy with this right here. And I love the diagonal subway tile going throughout. And yeah, and I also think having the home stage does so much better than having an empty house. So as you can see, it looks more homey without it being someone else's home. And then you've also got a little nook area where you can take a seat and relax a little bit. A little bit of cabinets on there too to help out. And it's crazy how open this is. Now this is the farmhouse sink, which is super huge, perfect for doing the dishes. I love that the sink is right here in the island, so you can definitely face people while you are entertaining, cleaning, and all that stuff. Man, so great. Definitely with the quartz countertop here, new laundry right there. Also, microwave right here. And before we go into the next part, I love how this island gives enough room for seating. I would definitely, these chairs are pretty big. You can definitely sit 4, maybe even 5 people here. Now it doesn't have a refrigerator here, but this is where you would put the refrigerator right here. Let's go on to the rest of the home. I cannot stress how much I love accent walls because you see this is a different gray, right, compared to the lighter gray, and it just makes this entire wall pop, as you can see when I come back to it. Look at that. It's even got quartz surrounding for the fireplace too. And then we've got our nice seating area. Take a seat, relax, entertain, all that good stuff. Got a laminate floors here. It feels really good on the feet too. All right. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna go upstairs before we get to the master. I know, we're gonna check out the other rooms and then go upstairs and then the master and then the backyard. Now as we take a look to our first left, we've got our first bedroom. Super nice and cozy. I feel like they made this one to the office. That's how they staged it. I would feel like I'm ready for world domination, especially with this globe right here. New light fixture. Oh, bonus though, I love that instead of doing the gold all throughout, they want to switch it up. So some black finishes for doors and closets. For the faucets and cabinets, it's gold. You'll see what I'm talking about. And look into our first bathroom. Look at that. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah, and then so of course the faucets are by Delta and the toilets are by DXV. Everything's super brand new. And like I said, black finishes for the doors, and closets, but gold for the cabinets and the faucets. So now we are in our laundry. And you know what's crazy? There's two of them. So this is just the first one downstairs. It's pretty spacious. I'll show you. I'll walk in. So hopefully you can see where I'm at. So washing dryer will go here. Cabinets right here for storage. Almost in my face. That's cool. You also got your scrubber dub. Yeah, man. Solid. I don't like it a lot. Okay, now we got our closet under the stairs. Kind of for storage. And then so it goes to a little like, so the other half is a little bit bigger than what you see right here. So you got some room for some storage. Okay, let's go upstairs. Okay, so when you come upstairs, you've got hallway right here. It gets a little low once you start walking a little bit forward towards the camera. Don't know if you see me. So let's go to my left first. All right, and as you can see, we got another seating area here for you. And then to our left, we got our bathroom. 3 full bathrooms, like I said. Look at that. Pretty much the same exact style as the one downstairs. Shower's a little bit bigger with the little seating area right there. You know, just relax. Take your mind off some things. Also, you got your hexagon tiles, as you see. DXV toilet, quartz countertop, white cabinets, gold finishes. Okay, and then you also got your Delta shower heads and faucets with this nice light fixture. All right, we got our second bedroom. They staged this for more for a playroom, as you can see. And it's got a decent sized closet too. Kind of goes back down there. Yeah. That right there leads to the attic, where you'll see your furnace. Okay. Now coming down this hallway, you got your lounge area. So right there, you can play some tic-tac-toe with anyone you want. Don't play me, because I'm kind of a beast at it. So, you know, fair warning. Windows here for natural light. Barn doors right there leading to the next bedroom. Definitely spacious. And I'll walk through so you can see. All right, so couch right here, pretty spacious. I'm like 6 feet, 6'1". Nice little walk over here. If you want to have a TV here, you can, or have this beautiful painting. And yeah, if I take a nail down, it's got quite a bit of room. Look at this. Got 4 windows for natural light. Man, natural light galore. Look how long this room is. I love this. Now walk through it so you can see. Vaulted ceilings. A nice solid walk up to the end of the wall. Definitely got plenty of space. And this is the closet right here. All right. Definitely got a cool seating area for you and whoever. Nice size closet. And you can also put a stackable right here. Stackable washer dryer. So you can definitely place a lot right here. You can definitely place a lot right here. Hang some stuff up right there. And then also hang a couple of things right here and right here. And even behind this door too. And you put your stackables. It wouldn't be, you couldn't have it big, but If you have some small stackables, then that should work. And you also got your attic right there. And now that we've seen the upstairs, let's go back downstairs to the master. Last but not least, this is the master bedroom here for you. Super spacious, just like the one upstairs. Man, I'm gonna show you the closet too. And I'll walk this up for you. Beautiful bed set. So symmetrical right here. And I'm gonna take a walk. Definitely super spacious. Nice light fixture right there. Oh, I forgot to mention that all of the rooms have recessed lighting. And this room has got 1, 2, screen door, 3, 4, 5 windows in here. So I thought the one upstairs was like natural light galore, but this is really it. Look how big this closet is. I'm gonna show you too. Let's walk through it. So literally shelving right here, walk right here, shelving, hang some clothes. Same thing, more shelving all the way up, shelving, hang some clothes. Same thing along here. More hanging right here. Shelves right here, going up to there. You can even stack some storage up as well. More clothes up top. Hanging. Huge closet. It's just a huge closet. It's a decent size, really good size. And it looks like with all the shelving and stuff, it's like super efficient too, so. Yeah. And let's go into the master ensuite. Look at this. I'm gonna turn on the lights on because it's got sensors. Look at all of this. Man. New bathtub by itself. Definitely good size. Window right there. You might need to get some curtains right there, but window right there. Amazing. Long mirror right here, frameless as well. You also got your light fixtures. You also got some seating right here to do some makeup. Jack and Jill sinks. Look at this. Look how big this shower is. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna walk through it all. Okay, so Jack and Jill sinks right here. Take a seat right here. Ooh, and it stops by itself, no slamming. The cabinets, quartz countertops, as you can see. Man, and then let's go right over here. Now we walk inside the shower, subway tile. You also on the ground, you have hexagon tile, which is such a good tile. I don't know why, this is a good tile. But yeah, so you got shower head right here. You also got the extendable, the take outs and the back, seating right here. But then you also got another shower head right here. This control, and the control for this one is right here. There's also 2 mini shelves that are made of quartz countertop. And then, last but not least, your last seating right there. Whew. Yeah, this is, I'm 6'1". This is a good size bathtub. I'm not even to the back of it because I got the stands right behind me. Look at this. It's really amazing. It really is. DXV. Okay, let's go out to the backyard. So you got 2 ways to get out there. You got this screen door from your master bedroom directly to the backyard. Then you also got another one that was in the living room to go to the garage. And I'll go through out there first because I want to show you the garage. Because it's getting a little dark. And then the backyard. And we're going to call it a day. Let's do it. And then what's amazing about the light fixtures out here, I seen it earlier, but it didn't look that great until the evening. So now we're here in the evening. It looks really nice. And let's go into the garage. There's a 1-car garage, like oversized garage, but it is insulated with a screen door, and it's got electrical in here. So what you can do is get the yoga mats, do some workouts in here, some work, exercise, use it as an art studio. Yeah, it's definitely amazing. Like, they put a lot of time into this home. All right, let's go to the backyard. So you got a couple of steps down to get over here. And the reason why is the home is on a raised foundation, so there's a crawl space under. That's why you see the vents. And this is your driveway, so you can drive all the way down here to your garage. All right. So over here they put in some, black mulch with some plants, make it look nice. May put some new grass in here as well. New concrete too. So you got your seating area with a nice pit. You can try to make a fire pit from that. And yeah, it's super peaceful. New fences, as you can see. And these have got to be about 8 to 9 feet tall. This is such a spacious area. Good side backyard. Seating here, you can do anything else right here too. You have your barbecue grill, anything like that. So it's a good touch. I hope you guys enjoyed this. So I try to do a different way where it involves me walking through to get more of a perspective about the home. Hopefully you liked that. If you did, please like it. Please subscribe to the channel. You can watch other content here that's going to pop up in a second. Y'all stay blessed. Y'all have a good one.